Hello friends, hope you guys are doing well. Let's start. We have question, is binary tree foldable? Any binary tree is foldable only when it is structurally same. We have to check for left and right subtrees. We are not interested in values of node. We only have to look for node exist or not. Let's consider this as example. If we take mirror image of left side with respect to the axis, we will get same structure as of right side of the tree. Now let's consider we don't have any values stored in node and look for nodes again. Now it's look same right. So we have to figure out nodes present in the tree is structurally same or not. Let's look this example, is it structurally same? Let's examine. When we draw the mirror image of tree, we observe that, in image tree with node 10, we have left as null and right as node with value 7. Similarly in right tree also, with node 10, we have left as null and right as node with value 15. So here we don't have any problem as we only looking for node, not value. Now we will compare node with value 7 and node with value 15. With node 7, we have left as null and right as node with value 5. But node with value 15 has, node at left with value 11 and right node of 15 is null. So, node with value 7 and node with value 15 is different structurally. Here comes the part, how we code it. Let's understand step by step and try to code usual first. Here, we have given root value as 10, it is not null. Now we will look for left and right node. If left and right both node is null, then we simply return true. If left and right mismatch, that is, left is null but right is not null, or left is not null but right is null, then it must return false. Now if both left and right is not null, then in that case we consider both as subtree and we call recursive function, for left of left and right of right, as well as for left of right and right of left. If both return true, then we return true. If any function return false, we return false. 7 and 15 will call for its child nodes. When it compare for 7 left and 15 right, it observe there is mismatch found, so it will return false to its parent call. And that child call also return false to it parent, and parent will return false. Try to code it by yourself now. Let's see code. If root is given as null, then simply return true, as we don't have to do anything if there is nothing present. If root is not null, then we call another function, let's call it foldable, which take left node and right node as argument. Now let's see what this foldable function will do. Let's declare it first. Static boolean foldable, it will take argument as left and right. Let's complete this function now. As we discussed earlier, if left equals to null and right also equal to null, then return true. Second base case will be, if there is mismatch found, then we have to return false. Let's write it, if left is null and right is not null, or left is not null and right is null. In both case we will return false. Third case will be if both left and right is not null. Then we have to return an operation of both child call. First we will call foldable for left of left and right of right. And we also call foldable for left of right and right of left. And return result after doing an operation. Time complexity of this solution is big O of n and space complexity is big O of h. If you like the solution, please hit that red button. Thanks.